Hey everyone, let me show you how I make my corn soup. It's a simple yet delicious recipe. Let's start with olive oil and sliced jalapeños. Next, we will add corn and garlic cloves. Brown the jalapeños to your liking. You can choose to take them out and then dice them later and add it to soup, or keep them in there. I sometimes keep them in, sometimes I take half out, so it kind of just depends on my mood. Once the corn is brown to your liking, add cilantro stems and coconut flakes. Be careful not to add the coconut flakes too early, as they brown very quickly. Add water and bring to a boil. Next, we will add salt and jalapeños back if you want to. Cover and cook the corn. Once corn has completely cooked and cooled, then remove the kernels like I'm showing you. Make sure that the corn is standing flat on the surface before slicing to remove the corn kernels. Keep whole kernels on one side and the scrapings in a different pile. Now you have a decision to make. You can either blend the jalapeños with the broth or just remove them, chop, and add it to the soup later. Add the coconut flakes, garlic, cilantro stem broth to the blender. Add corn scrapings to this as well. Be mindful that if you do decide to blend the jalapeños, the broth will be a little bit green because of the green color of the jalapeños. So if you want a yellow colored corn soup, then do not add the jalapeños. Blend until smooth. I tasted the mixture and added another cooked jalapeno to this. Mixture will be slightly green in color, like I said, due to the blending of jalapeños. Add water to the blender to remove all of the mixture. We will use this broth in making the soup. In a nonstick pot of your choice, add olive oil, diced onion, and coconut flakes. You can add diced jalapeños at this point. Saute until onions are golden brown. Break up the corn kernels and add to the onion mixture. Add red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and black pepper. I like to add roasted cumin powder to this as well, but not too much though. Add the blended broth. Heat it through. Taste the mixture and adjust the salt. You can choose to turn off the stove when the soup has reached the consistency you like. At this point, you can decide if you want to make the soup creamy. If you don't want to make the soup creamy, then turn off the stove and add lemon juice, and it's ready to be enjoyed. If you do want it creamier, then turn off the stove, add the heavy cream, and then turn the stove back on the lowest heat to just heat it through. Lemon juice in this case makes all the difference. So if you taste the soup before adding the lemon juice, it may not taste right to you, just wait. Don't worry. As soon as you add lemon juice, all the flavors are gonna get together and it's gonna be super delicious. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Until next time, take care.